For the homework that says due Wednesday, week of April 8th, we're going to start with solving equations. So the first thing you do is anytime you have parentheses like this, to distribute. So we're going to distribute the negative 5 to everything on the inside. Negative 5 times 4x, negative 20x. Negative 5 times negative 2, positive 10. Distribute on the other side as well, because there's a set of parentheses. Negative 2 times 3, negative 6. Negative 2 times 6, negative 12x. There's nothing to combine here on the left-hand side because this has an x and this is just a constant. This is also a constant and this has an x. So we can go ahead and start doing inverse operations. I'm going to move all the numbers to the right. Bring down anything you don't math with. Then I'm going to move all my letters to the left. Bring down anything you don't math with. So this would be negative 8x. Divide by negative 8 because it's, even though it says negative 8, you're tempted to put plus 8. It's being multiplied to the x, so you have to divide it off. So this would be 2. Domain and range. So keep in mind domain is your x. So when you're getting your numbers, only look at the x-axis. So we start with our lowest x. So if you go along your x looking up and down, you see that you have a dot here on the far left at negative 3, and it is equal to. So we have to put an equal to line. How I know that is because it's filled in. On the far right, you have 4, and it's not equal to because it's an open circle. So you're just going to leave that without an equal to sign. Range is your y, so make sure you're only looking at your y-axis for numbers. So if I look along here, it looks like my lowest number is negative 2, and it's an open circle. And then my highest number is 4, and it's a closed circle. On the far right, you're doing rate of change. Rate of change is the same thing as slope. So immediately I'm going to write out my slope formula template. Pull 2 points. So I got negative 3, negative 1. I'm looking for where it crosses exactly. I'm not going to use that one because people often get these mixed up. They don't know whether to put 0, 3 or 3, 0. So I'm going to keep looking. 6, 7. My y's go on top. So 7 and negative 1. You can also flip these. That's fine. 6 and negative 3. So I get 8 ninths. And that does not reduce down to 4/3.